Welcome to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. But what if you only had one day to explore this magical park? Don't worry, because today I'll show you how to make the most of every minute. From iconic rides to must-try snacks, here's your ultimate one-day Disneyland guide. Let's dive in. First things first, plan ahead. Disneyland can be overwhelming if you don't know what to prioritize. Download the Disneyland app, check ride wait times, and make sure to grab Genie Plus for shorter queues on the most popular rides. This is key to maximizing your day. Start your day bright and early with Rope Drop. Arrive 30 minutes before park opening and head straight to one of the most popular attractions. My top picks? Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance in Galaxy's Edge, or Indiana Jones Adventure in Adventureland. These rides have long waits later in the day, so hitting them first is a smart move. After tackling the big rides, make your way to Fantasyland for classics like Peter Pan's Flight and Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Then, head to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad for a thrilling ride through the Wild West. Don't forget to take a quick castle photo. It's a must! All that adventure calls for a snack. Grab a famous Disneyland churro or a Mickey-shaped pretzel. These treats are not only delicious, but iconic. Pro tip, pair it with a refreshing lemonade from one of the nearby carts. Now it's time to slow things down with some Disney classics. Head to New Orleans Square for Pirates of the Caribbean and then Adventureland for the hilarious Jungle Cruise. These are perfect for soaking in that classic Disney magic. For lunch, I recommend the Plaza Inn for their famous fried chicken, or head to Galaxy's Edge for the unique flavors of Ronto Roasters. Wherever you eat, take a moment to recharge. You'll need it.
First of all, what went through my mind
In the afternoon, hit Tomorrowland for Space Mountain, a must for thrill seekers. After that, compete against your friends on Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters, or take a relaxing ride on the Disneyland Railroad to see the park from a different perspective. Take a break from walking by watching one of Disneyland's magical parades or stage shows. These experiences bring Disney characters to life and are a great way to relax while staying immersed in the magic. As the sun sets, make your way to Haunted Mansion for some spooky fun, and then tackle the thrilling Matterhorn bobsleds. The park at night has a whole new vibe, and you don't want to miss it. For dinner, try the Blue Bayou restaurant for a unique dining experience inside the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Don't forget to grab a Dole Whip for dessert. It's a fan favorite. End your magical day with a bang by watching the fireworks show or the Main Street Electrical Parade. There's nothing like seeing the castle light up at night. It's the perfect way to end your trip. Before you leave, squeeze in one last ride. It's a Small World or Splash Mountain are great options for a memorable finish. And as you exit through Main Street, grab a souvenir to remember your magical day. That's it, your ultimate one-day Disneyland itinerary. With careful planning, you can experience the best rides, food, and magic Disneyland has to offer. What's your favorite Disneyland ride or snack? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more theme park tips and guides. See you real soon!